Welcome to a journey through the hidden facets of money, an everyday tool so integral to our lives, yet shrouded in mystery and intrigue. From the unexpected traces on dollar bills to the staggering figures defining global wealth, we're peeling back the layers to reveal 25 astonishing facts about money that will surprise and maybe even confuse you. So buckle up and be sure to hit subscribe. We're diving deep into the world of currency, uncovering the secrets that make money truly fascinating. Get ready to see the cash in your wallet in a whole new light. Number 1, the surprising reality of U.S. currency. Did you know that an astonishing 90% of U.S. dollar bills carry traces of cocaine? This startling fact highlights the unexpected journey money takes through various hands and places. Number 2, the origin of the credit card. The embarrassment of forgetting a wallet during a dinner led to the creation of the first credit card. It's a reminder of how everyday inconveniences can lead to innovative solutions that reshape our financial lives. Number 3, the staggering U.S. debt. The United States debt is a colossal figure that's 10 times larger than all of the U.S. dollars currently in circulation. This immense debt showcases the complex economic strategies and challenges facing the country. Number 4, the value of circulating currency. All the U.S. coins and bills out there total up to $1.02 trillion. This figure gives us a tangible sense of the vast economy operating daily across the United States. Number 5, global currency distribution. Interestingly, 2/3 of U.S. currency actually resides overseas. This fact underscores the dollar's global influence and its role in international trade and finance. Number 6, the birth of paper money. Originating in China 1400 years ago, paper money was a revolutionary invention that transformed commerce and economic systems worldwide, marking a significant shift from barter and coin-based economies. Number 7, the cost-saving wasn't coin. Transitioning from a 1 bill to a 1 was coin could potentially save the U.S. government $4.4 billion over the next 30 years. This change, though small, could have significant financial implications. Number 8, monopoly versus real money. More monopoly money is printed annually than real money, highlighting the popular board game's cultural impact and the fascinating economics of play money versus actual currency. Number 9, spending for happiness. A study has found that spending money on experiences rather than material things could be the key to true happiness. This insight encourages us to rethink our spending habits and invest in memories and experiences. Number 10, the world's money supply. The total amount of money in the world is approximately $75 trillion. If distributed evenly, this would mean around $10,000 for every person on the planet, illustrating the vast but unevenly distributed wealth that exists globally. Number 11, the costly International Space Station. At a staggering cost of $150 billion, the International Space Station stands as the most expensive object ever constructed, showcasing humanity's capacity for monumental projects and the value placed on scientific exploration. Number 12, McDonald's daily earnings. McDonald's, the global fast food giant, earns about $75 million each day. This figure highlights the brand's immense success and the world's enduring love for fast food. Number 13, Apple's minute-by-minute earnings. Apple earns an astonishing $325,000 per minute, illustrating the tech giant's financial prowess and the high demand for its products and services. Number 14, wealth among the richest women. Of the 20 richest women in the world, only one has earned her wealth independently. The rest have inherited their fortunes or share it with their spouses, pointing to ongoing challenges and disparities in wealth creation and accumulation among genders. Number 15, Pablo Escobar's cash problem. Infamous drug lord Pablo Escobar's wealth was so vast that rats would eat approximately 1 billionth of his cash each year. This bizarre fact sheds light on the surreal problems encountered at the extreme ends of wealth accumulation. Number 16, Bill Gates' unimaginable fortune. Imagine having so much money that spending $1 million daily would take 218 years to deplete your wealth. This fact about Bill Gates not only highlights the sheer scale of his fortune, but also the concept of wealth beyond ordinary comprehension. Number 17, the fragility of inherited wealth. It's a sobering truth that 2/3 of family fortunes are lost by the second generation. This statistic underscores the challenges of maintaining wealth across generations and the importance of financial literacy and responsible stewardship. Number 18, money and marital discord. Arguments about money emerge as the top predictor of divorce, shedding light on the emotional and practical complexities intertwined with financial management in relationships. Number 19, presidential currency taboo. In an interesting quirk of tradition, living U.S. presidents cannot be featured on currency, a rule that respects the notion of legacy and the passage of time in memorializing leaders. Number 20, the lucrative world of gambling. Surpassing the combined revenues of movies, sports, music, theme parks, and cruise ships, gambling asserts itself as a colossal industry, revealing much about human nature's penchant for risk and reward. Number 21, North Korea's counterfeiting prowess. The largest counterfeiter of U.S. currency is none other than North Korea, a fact that highlights the dark underbelly of international relations and economic warfare. Number 22, hyperinflation's absurdity. The hyperinflation in 1928 Germany devalued currency to the point where it was used as play money for children or even as wallpaper, illustrating the devastating impact of economic instability on daily life. Number 23, a presidential typo. A misspelling on the Philippine 100 peso note involving the name of the country's president serves as a humorous yet cautionary tale about the importance of attention to detail in the production of currency. Number 24, Tennessee's crack tax. In a unique approach to dealing with illegal drug sales, Tennessee once required dealers to pay taxes on their transactions anonymously, an inventive strategy aiming to capture revenue from the shadows of the economy. Number 25, fantasizing about wealth. Interestingly, more people fantasize about money than about sex, indicating the deep psychological significance and desire for financial security and abundance in our lives. This exploration into the lesser-known aspects of money reveals its profound impact on our world, from the personal to the global stage. Each point invites us to reflect on our relationship with money, the structures that govern its flow, and the peculiarities that make it a source of endless fascination. Join us as we delve deeper into these intriguing truths about money, and remember to subscribe for more enlightening content.